Hello, today I'm going to show you how to inspect, maintenance, and lubricate your seat belts on your Audi A4 or S4 Avant car. A regular inspection and maintenance and the lubrication of our car seat belts are really important for their proper function and our safety as well. We check for wear and tear first. We visually inspect the entire length of the webbing for any cuts, fraying, or excessive wear. Even small tears can compromise the belt thread. We inspect the buckle and the latch. We ensure that the buckle clicks securely when we insert the latch plate. The release button should be work smoothly and not be stiff or stuck. The latch plate should be have any cracks or deformations. And then we test the retractor. We pull the belt out slowly and evenly. It should unrear without any snatch or resistance. Now we give it a quick sharp tug. The retractor should be locked up immediately as seen in that video. This tests the ability to lock at a sudden stop. And of course, we check for any spills or sticky residues and dirt on the belt, as this can hinder erection function. We examine the mounting points. We check wherever the belt is anchored to the car's frame. The ball should be tightened and the metal anchor should not be bent or correspondence. And then let's go. We're going to make a general cleaning. We can use a mild soap and a water solution if it is really dirty, of course. Then, of course, we have to allow the belt to air dry completely before we are going to use a lubrication stuff. We lubricate the seat belt component on the generally not recommended of the webbing of the retracting mechanism, but we can use for this an silicone spray to make a good function as well for lubrication. And if you lubricate all stuff, it will be smooth and safety. Good job here to inspect, maintenance, and lubricate your seat belts. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.